Are you tired of online courses that just give you a certificate but no real skills? We are doing things differently here. In this program, you won't get a so-called course completion certificate. Instead, you will earn a special pre-experience letter that proves you can actually build things. Let me tell you how. In this project-based course, we are going to build an end-to-end stock price prediction portal using Django REST framework, React.js and machine learning. My name is Ratan. I am your instructor for this program. I'm a full-stack Python developer with over 10 years of experience. I'm also one of the top-rated instructor on Udemy. I teach how to build real-world software applications. We have over 36,000 students who learned with us and secured jobs in various companies all around the world. You can find me on LinkedIn. We'll start with the fundamentals of Django and React by building a solid foundation for our application. With this, we will understand the nitty-gritty details of how we connect the backend with the frontend. And we also understand the complex ins and outs of authentication systems in both Django and React. We will then move on to the Jupyter Notebook and learn what is machine learning, what is deep learning, what is neural network, and where does these terms fits in the whole machine learning landscape. We will do all kinds of machine learning techniques such as data collection, data exploration and visualization, feature engineering, data pre-processing, sequence creation, model building, model training, test data preparation, and making the predictions. Finally, to test our model's performance, we will perform model evaluation as well. That's not it. After training our machine learning model in Jupyter Notebook, we will integrate this model into our Django React application by creating an API endpoint and make it an end-to-end stock prediction portal. Alright, why this program is different? You see, this is not just another online course. It's a hands-on project-based learning experience designed specifically to simulate the real-world development. As I mentioned, we do not provide any kinds of course completion certificate for this program. Instead, we provide a pre-experience letter. This program is specially for serious learners. To earn your pre-experience letter, you will need to complete the project and demonstrate your skills. Our expert team, including me, will personally review your work to ensure you are ready for the challenges of a real development job. As always, if you get stuck at any point of the project, we are here to support you every step of the way. With that said, if you like practical learning approach, come and join me in this program. All you need is a basic understanding of Python, Django, and a little bit of HTML and CSS.